MRM, acetyl-l-carnitine, 500 mg, 60 vegan capsules. Product overview description. Supports alertness and mental focus. Non-GMO project verified dietary supplement certified vegan produced in a certified facility, GMP, good manufacturing practices. Acetyl-l-carnitine is a highly bioavailable form of L-carnitine able to efficiently cross the blood-brain barrier. Once in the brain, it acts as a neuroprotective and antioxidant agent as well as supporting energy metabolism. MRM added vitamin B6 to support energy metabolism for optimal alertness and focus. Supports memory. Antioxidant support. Cognitive support. Suggested use. Take 1 capsule up to 3 times a day or as directed by your qualified healthcare provider. Other ingredients. Rice flour, and cellulose capsule. Contains no added milk, egg, peanut, tree nut, fish, shellfish, soy, wheat, gluten, or yeast ingredients. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.